What's up? I'm Jad T. Jones. Welcome to the Warrior Ritual. This channel is dedicated to supporting you as a man. Today I'd like to share a very easy home workout ritual that I do that I find really rejuvenates me, puts me in a positive mood, and acts as a kind of therapy for me, which helps me deal with life's challenges. So, life as a man in this day and age is very demanding. All day as a man, we're give, work, serve, right? There's very little rejuvenation, very little us getting nurtured. Who's taking care of us? And so I created a ritual that I do around 4 or 5 days a week, which I call my workout therapy. Why do I call it therapy? Because it feels like I'm going to therapy. It is healing me emotionally and spiritually and allowing me to get rid of all the negativity that may have built up from the day. So here's what I do. Number one is I set a timer for 1 hour on my phone. Secondly, I turn on my favorite music and I play it loud. And then thirdly, I start working out. Now, let's break down these 3 ingredients and show you why these 3 ingredients are really therapeutic. Number one, when you set the timer for an hour, you are carving out that time for yourself to take care of yourself. The rest of your life as a man is taking care of others and serving others and doing work you need to do. This hour is for you. Number 2 is the music. We play music to get ourselves in a positive state, to get out of our heads, to get in our bodies, to get more into that kind of flow and that playfulness. So music, your favorite music, is really great for changing your state and refreshing you. And thirdly, the home workout, whether it's push-ups, pull-ups, squats, pistol squats, whatever it is, that's moving your body. When you move your body, you elevate your heart rate, you pump those muscles, all those things are gonna release positive endorphins, which means they're gonna release positive feelings in your body. Also, when you do some physical exertion, you're letting go of the day's frustration, anger, all that emotion that's pent up. If you're doing push-ups really hard, chin-ups, squats, jumping squats, bicep curls, whatever, you're letting out that energy. And when you are allowed to express that energy out, you are releasing those negative emotions and replacing them with positive ones. And so here are the rules to the ritual. Number 1 is it's completely freestyle, meaning you do not have to follow some regimented workout routine. You feel like doing pull-ups, you do some pull-ups. You feel like doing some push-ups, you do some push-ups. You want to do some squats and supersetted with some chin-ups, that's what you do. You allow yourself to just flow creatively through the exercises that spontaneously come up to you while you're listening to the music. And in the breaks, you're just kind of walking around the room, maybe looking at your reflection. Another thing that I do is I keep a journal, and if I have some good ideas during the workout, I'll open the journal, write some stuff down. And what I found is when I allowed this 1 hour to be completely freestyle and spontaneous, that became very therapeutic for me, very relaxing for me, and it got me into a completely different headspace. Another benefit is that it got me doing my home workouts consistently, because now I started looking forward to that hour of quote unquote workout therapy, because I knew that every hour that I spent there, it would always end with me feeling a lot better. So now my home workouts are really like therapy for me. It's more about the therapy, the emotional therapeutic effect than the muscular effect. So I'll pass this little ritual on to you. If you feel like you need some time for you, if you need some attention, if you feel like you're neglected, start doing these freestyle workouts at home. Put on your favorite music, set the timer for an hour. That's a time nobody's allowed to talk to you. Don't check your phone. And then just spontaneously move your body in a way that is gonna nourish you. And whatever comes up, just do it. The push-ups, the chin-ups, the sit-ups, whatever you want. And you're gonna find you're gonna start getting into this state. It might take 5 minutes, may take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, even 20 minutes, but eventually something's gonna shift. Your body's gonna be more engaged. You're gonna start feeling more centered, more like yourself. and you're gonna start to relax and really start to feel rejuvenated. So if you're anything like me, these workout sessions are gonna be something you start to look forward to because it's you time. It's your rejuvenation time. It's the time of the day that you give back to you. So go try that out, come back, and leave a comment below letting me know how your workout therapy session went for you. This is Jad T. Jones. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and hit the notifications icon. I'll see you in the next video.